design for the Button Farm Club, and I'm coming in today to give you a closer look at all the beautiful things we made with my June 2023 Christmas card kit. This is using Ciao Christmas vibes. I posted a video earlier showing all of the wonderful supplies that come with the kit, and now I thought you would like to see what we make. We're starting off. I always like to do a folio at Christmas because there's so many different things you can do with a folio. You can use it for recipes, photos, as a planner, as a shopping list. So this is a sweet little 5 3/4 by 6-inch folio. You're going to learn how to create this pretty collaged cover, and it has a little jute string tie. Everything in this collection feels very vintage and rustic. I really love it. On the inside, we have a slash pocket. I'm calling this my sweet treats and good eats folio because I was thinking recipes. And here's a wonderful spot to add a recipe card on the back. And this goes in the pocket. And of course you could add more recipe cards because it's a 5 3/4 by 6. You can easily do 4 by 6 recipe cards in here. Then we have our little pull-out element over here, which is so fun. And this has lots of room for photos or recipes, a little flap page with this precious little bird. And then on the front, this pocket. And I've folded this large image from the paper collection. And you can actually put 2 recipe cards inside here, or like one longer recipe in there. So sweet. And I love the polka dot coffee pot. So fun. And of course you can fit additional recipe cards in the pocket. Then this pulls out. There's another panel of this great chalkboard print here. And then we have a hidden pocket page with a pull out where you can add another couple recipes or photos, and room for photo or journaling here. So it's just a precious little folio. It makes a wonderful gift. Super quick and easy to make, which is always nice for the holidays, but pretty enough to set out in your kitchen or on a coffee table as part of your Christmas decor. So that is project number 1. Then I always love to do shaker cards. So we've got a couple of really beautiful shakers. This one is a 7 1/4 by 5 1/4 with this great bird image. And for fun, I thought we would make loaded pockets this time. So the back of this is actually a pocket where we've tucked in a bookmark and this sweet little gift card holder. Room to write a sentiment here. And of course you can tuck in all sorts of goodies in the pockets. Tea bags, honey sticks, cocoa packets. So that makes a gift too. Here is a slim line with this gorgeous vintage lantern and all these wonderful shaker elements, and this sweet little tag. And this one is a flip page, a little flap with a pocket, and our sentiment here, room on the back to add a photo. And then I'm going to show you how to use your product packaging to make this adorable gift card holder, which also has room to write a message here. So this is also a beautiful creation. Next, I like to make really fun kinetic cards, especially at the holidays. And so these are little 5 by 5 1/2 twist and pops. Aren't those fun? So you're going to learn how to make these really fun twist and pop elements. And then this actually has a pocket with a little sentiment panel that you can tuck in here. You could also tuck in a gift card if you were so inclined. So there's this one. And then there's this one. And once you get the hang of making this really fun kinetic element, you're going to want to make a dozen of these. They are so fun. Next on the list, we have a couple of really elegant belly band cards. These have decorative belly bands which slip off. And then a little gatefold element with a pull out, a pocket with our sentiment panel, and of course you can tuck a gift card or anything else in there. So these are really sweet and really fun. I love the wooden snowflakes and all the sparkles from the sequins. You gotta have sequins at Christmas, people. So this pulls out, and here's this little one. This says life happens and chocolate helps, and on the back it says here's a Christmas hug from me to you. I actually wrote and designed all of the sentiments for our kit this month, and I think this is something, if you like it, we're going to continue to do moving forward. Then we have a couple of, these are really cool guys. You're going to learn how to do collage, and I know a lot of you struggle with all the little fussy cut elements and ephemera pieces, and like, what do we do with those? Well, you're going to get lots of practice building scenes, and then inside I've got this dynamic pop-up with all these wonderful elements, and again a little gift card holder with a sentiment on there. So I just love these, and you can, the nice thing about these is you can set them out open as part of your home decor, or you can, you know, have them closed, but they have a multi-purpose. Here is another really sweet little card featuring these little kind of Scandinavian houses or prim houses, and this is a look at the pop-up inside this one with a gorgeous fruit basket and all kinds of little bits and bobs, and of course another little gift card pocket with another little sentiment card. And then you're going to get some really good tips on how to work with scrap pieces that are left in your kit to make really beautiful cards, like this distressed rolled corner vintage card with this pine cone and the twine. It's really beautiful. I always like to include a design for the holidays where you can add a photo, either of your home or your Christmas tree, your family, your pets, whatever. And then down here we have a pocket with a journal card in it, and you could add a photo to the back here as well. So this is a really fun tutorial because I'm going to show you some surprising things here. And then last but not least, you got to have easel cards at the holiday. They're just too pretty set out on a mantle or a table or a buffet as part of your decor. So we make these two gorgeous 6 by 6, and on the inside we have a pocket which serves as the stopper, a journaling spot or a photo spot, and then a sentiment tucked in as well. These are really special. This paper collection is special. It's just got everything you want for Christmas. It makes you feel all warm and cozy. Here's another one. I'm going to show you how to create this little book using your 3 by 4 cards, which is a really fun little tutorial as well. So there you go. This is ready for pre-order at the Button Farm Club now. It starts shipping on July 1st. If you are a member of my quarterly card subscription club, you don't have to do a thing. It will automatically ship to you. If you're not a member, you can still order, but I would order soon because this is selling out very fast. People are ordering multiple kits, which is exciting. But you can order. The club subscriptions are filled first, and then we fill first come, first served, everything that comes in after that. But look at this array, so many wonderful techniques, and it just warms your heart. It's a great collection. So that's what I've been doing. That's what's coming in your card kit July 1st, Christmas in July 2023. Thanks, guys. Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club. Go get your craft on.